al-kalimatun, words. Arabic language, just like we have in English, every individual word belongs to a particular part of speech. Same way in Arabic language, they are part of speech. The individual words that makes up a sentence, these individual words are called kalimatun. In Arabic language, we have three parts of speech, which each part of speech can be found in English language. So let's say the first part of speech is called ism. In ism, there are names. It can be house, man, boy, school, places, just like we have it in English as noun. Ism is commonly known as noun. Ism, let me give example of ism. Mithlu, rajulun, baytun, qalamun, waladun, darrisun, saburatun, madrasatun. So these are all example of ism. Rajulun, it means a man. Baytun, a house. Qalamun, a pen. Waladun, a boy. Madrasatu, a school. Saburatun, a blackboard. Let's say BB. So I'm sorry is mudarrisu. Mudarrisu, teacher. Teacher. Then madarasatu, a school. These are few examples, and this is ism. This is one part of speech in Arabic language because we have three parts of speech in Arabic language. The first one is called ism. Then let's look at the second one, which is fa'ilu. Fa'ilu. They are action words. Example: to go, sleep, eat, drink, write, walk. Let me give example. Mithlu, taba, darrisu, qara'a, yasma'u, idhhab, kharaja. Last example, qaraba. So here, kataba is to write. He wrote. Taba, he wrote. Yudarrisun, he is teaching. Qara'a, he read. Yasma'u, he is listening. Idhhab, go, it's a command. Kharaja, he went out. Then daraba, he hit. So these are all action words. Some of them are in the past tense, some of them are in the present tense. Then the last part of speech in Arabic language is called harfun. Then these ones, they are particles. They are words that do not give meanings on their own, but they rely on other words to complete their meaning. They do not give meanings on their own, but rely on other words, unlike ism and fi'l, which gives meaning on their own. And this is called particle. Let's say example, min, ila, في على تحت. عن and so on. These are few examples of huruf which are particles. It means from to, fi in, ala upon, taht under. It means from also, but it can be used other way, not like this one. So these are the three parts of speech in Arabic language. Now they are names of things. They are not timely affected. Nouns. What I mean they are not timely affected, that rajulun, it doesn't have present tense, it doesn't have past tense, it doesn't have future tense. It's rajulun. But fa'il, they are timely affected. Kataba, example, this is the past tense. It has a present tense, a future tense, and imperative also. So they are timely affected. So we don't have any other part of speech in Arabic language other than these three parts of speech in Arabic language. In this isim, we have pronoun, we have nouns, we have adjective, then we have adverbs. Here we have all verbs and the rest conjunction, interjection, and preposition we have them under huruf. Use one example where I combine words from each part of speech to make a sentence. كتب المدرس على سبورة. كتب, he wrote, مدرس, teacher, على, upon, sabura, blackboard. So the teacher wrote on the blackboard. So how can we identify each one of these part of speech when combined in a sentence? What are the signs that this one is an isim, this one is a fairy, this one is an harf? Our upcoming video will explain how we can identify each one of them in a sentence and can help you understand Arabic sentence very well.